So this is me from the future times 2. I filmed my whole intro and outro with no lashes on, and let me just tell you, baby, lashes, they make a difference. You won't take me, nobody. Okay, great. Came to tell you guys that these lashes, what are they? Tati Lashes TL6. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I did that. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Took it from a 2 to a 5, maybe to a 10. I don't know. Okay, we're good now, and hope you guys enjoy this video and roll the clips. Period. I'm embarrassed. Like, who forgets? How do you call yourself a makeup guru, beauty influencer, and you forgot the #1 beauty? Like, I mean, technically you don't need lashes to be beautiful, but I mean, I'm saying though, like, who doesn't wear lashes with glitter? Like, who? What? Never heard of her. I've already done my face, so yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Louise base 05. Well, it's Rumour 05. If you didn't know, I'm never gonna use any other concealer ever in my life because this literally has changed my eyeshadow game, and I've used this like 3 times and I've literally not even put a dent in it. It goes a long way. You literally do not need a lot. I'm taking a Morphe M173, same brush I always use to blend out my concealer and my eye base. Today's look is inspired by Yunnie Rose. I think it's Yunnie Rose. She is also a YouTuber and she's on Instagram. I'll leave her info down below and leave a picture right here of the inspo look that I got inspo from. If that makes any sense, it doesn't. So I'm gonna be using, I'm sorry, don't hate me, the 35B Morphe palette. It's currently discontinued, but it's the only pastel palette that I have right now. I ordered another palette. I think it's like Glam something. I don't know when it'll come, but until then, this is the palette I'm gonna be using because I don't have any other palettes that have a lavender shade. So I'm just gonna take this shade right here in the palette. I'm going to take a M417 Morphe brush and I'm just going to coat my brush with it like this, and I'm just going to pack this on the lid. I feel like I need to put, I'm going to put a little bit of powder. Okay, so I'm just taking this shade and packing it on until I get to the consistency that I want. All right, so now I'm just going to take a Morphe Y15, and it's kind of like a tapered round fluffy brush, and I'm literally just gonna go along the edges and just blend this out. As you can see the difference already, this is somewhat blended, this isn't. And I'm just going to keep blending until I get to the consistency, not consistency, but like until it basically looks as airbrushed as I want it to look. And because I have hooded eyes, I do like to raise my eyebrow. As you camera died on nigga. Okay, so like I was saying, I raise my eyebrow because I don't have like much space to blend. I can't really see. So when I go like this, it helps me to get in the area right up in here, and I can really make this an airbrush look. I'm gonna take a little bit more of the same shadow and just blend out the edges with the same shadow. I like to do that because I don't know, it just makes it look like you're using more than one eyeshadow. And lately I've really been loving like one eyeshadow look because I filmed another video with like just yellow. I don't know if I'm gonna post it or not yet. I still have it. I haven't edited it though. You'll probably see that video before you even see this one. And yeah, so this is what the purple is looking like. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side and I will come back. Okay, I'm back like I never left. All right, so blended that on out. I'm just gonna dust away this powder. Yeah, my eyes look weird. This makeup is not my best, but it's okay. I'm gonna push on because you know why? Because I still want to produce content, and guess what? Period, I will. Even if I look a mess. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh, y'all nasty. Anyway, okay. So normally I would use this liner, which is by NYX, and it has this type of brush on it. But I literally don't have any more of this. like it's down to the brim. So I ended up, and they were sold out because I think Ulta had like a buy one get one half off or something. So I ended up getting the NYX Epic ink liner. Looks like this. Basically it's a pointed liner, and you can't put this on the bottom in case anybody was wondering. I'm literally gonna try to attempt this. I'm very nervous. I'm not even looking at the photos. I probably should, but Yunnie, I always feel like I'm saying her name wrong. Yunnie, she didn't like do the same look I'm doing, but yeah, so I feel like there's no point in me like looking at her photo, but I did get inspo, so yeah. Basically, I do have hooded eyes, so I'm gonna try to like draw basically like a little bit over my hooded eye and then do like a connect. I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna shake this up. Okay, let's pray for the best. I'm gonna start out here first. Oh, I thought my camera died. I was gonna say, are you kidding me? Oh, I messed up already. This is not working out. Alright. I messed it up, but it's okay. Then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. I'm so disappointed. It's too close. Okay. Alright, I got the point down. What I'm thinking about doing, actually, because this looks so bad, I'm gonna put glitter. I'm gonna take my MAC Mixed Medium. This is the only thing I use. There is a dupe for this by NYX. Never used it before, but I hear that it is good for anybody who doesn't want to splurge. I got you. I put too much of this on. Okay, I'm gonna let that get a little tacky. I need something to apply my glitter. I'm gonna use a Morphe M456. Looks like this. The glitter I'm using is by Fluttered by Row Loose Glitter. The bottom, the name is not on here. When I got this, it didn't have the name on it. I will either leave it popping up or somewhere down below. Trying not to spill this. I don't know how I feel yet. Maybe once I finish everything, it'll be cute. But for right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and try to replicate the other side, and then I'll come back. So yeah. Now I'm just gonna put the purple that I put in like on the bottom of all this jazz. I'm gonna put this at the bottom on my lower lash line. I'm taking a Y20 and I'm literally just gonna coat the heck out of this brush. I'm gonna take the NYX Worth the Hype volumizing mascara. I'm just gonna take my mirror. I put on 3 coats. Yeah. I am going to put on some inner corner because I definitely need that. I'm gonna take this shade right here in the BH Cosmetics Marble Collection Cool Stone palette. This palette is super old, so I don't even know if it's like still available. Okay, for lips, I'm going to take Downtown Beauty by NYX Suede. This video has literally been nothing but NYX, but that was not even planned. Okay, so I put a lot of brown on the bottom because I'm just gonna take the Fenty Beauty Unbutton lipstick and I'm just gonna make a nude. This would literally be so cute, but I'm not. It doesn't look that great because I'm gonna put gloss on top. That's a little hack for you. Basically, if you know you're gonna put gloss on top, just kind of overdo your lip liner. No, this is not what I want. I'm gonna wipe this off because I don't like it. Sorry. I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Fussy Gloss Bomb. Period. Okay, you have made it to the end. This is the final look. Oh, my ears look big. Hold on. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I really appreciate you guys' support. I changed my name from Yunnie Rose to definitely Vivian because I just wanted a platform where I didn't have to introduce myself as somebody else technically. I wanted to introduce myself, my brand, as me, which is Vivian. And it makes it easy for everyone to like remember my name and remember my @ So Yunnie Rose is gone, okay? But forever in my heart. Still got the necklace. Probably gonna get me a necklace that says DV now. But yeah, so anyway, more videos coming. Thank you to my most recent subscribers. Like, I see y'all creeping in. I see y'all. Welcome. Come on in. Come on in. Come on in. Bring a family. Bring a friend. I said bring a family. Bring everybody. Bring the whole flock. Okay? I gotta go. I'm sleepy. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Watch my other videos. I'll leave them somewhere right here, and holla at your girl on the gram. Definitely Vivian is my @ You see it popping up. Or maybe it's over there. Maybe it's over here. I don't know. I'm out. My nails look trash. Don't even. I gotta go.